Hello, my name is Richard McDonald. I am the Senior Director of Support Services at Fayetteville Technical Community College. At FTCC, we're dedicated to helping students succeed academically, personally, and professionally. Our Support Services Department is here to assist you throughout your collegiate journey. Let's take a quick look at the support services we offer.
Hello, I'm Dr. Casey Groover, and I'm the Director of Disability Support Services. We're located in the Tony Rand Student Center, room 127, and we provide accommodations, assistive technology, and personalized support to ensure equal access to education for all students. We are here to support you in any way that we can.
I am excited to introduce the YES initiative to you. YES stands for You plus Effort equals Success. We provide mentorship, coaching, career guidance, leadership development, college transfer assistance, academic support, and workshops designed to help students succeed. Our services are free and open to all students. For more information about the YES initiative, ask your academic advisor.
Hi, I'm Shauna Bell, and I'm the on-campus mental health counselor with Wellness Care Services. I am here to provide support during your academic journey, whether it's through counseling or wellness walks. You can find us in the library suite 118. Your well-being is our top priority, and we are here to help you succeed.
Hi, I'm Ayana Washington, and I'm the Peer Support Specialist with the Collegiate Recovery Program. We provide a safe space for students in recovery, offering peer support and wellness resources. You can find us in the library suite 118. If you're looking for community and support, we're here to help you every step of the way.
Remember, at FTCC, you're never alone. The Support Services Department is here to provide hope, unity, and a true sense of belonging. Reach out and let us support you in every step of your academic journey.